Hey guys, I got an old burg. It doesn't say anything. But yeah, an old burg, as far as I remember. There we go, now it's locked. Leave a padlock with this key. So let's see if we can open it. It comes from my naughty bucket, by the way. But I have recently made the tensioner, by the way, that I used a couple of videos back, not just a couple, a bunch of videos back, for the Avis lever lock, seems to fit here as well. At least it locks in place. I actually don't remember if I checked. Yeah, it seems to tension, so there we go. So let's try. What size do we have? I want to try this oversetter first. Stay in there. Just to stop sliding around. It should be able to be there. Okay. I could feel them moving, but I don't think that would do much. It's not moving quite well around in there. There we go. I think that is just too big, so we're gonna use this one. This is the wrong one. Let me just think. Why did I take this? There it is. Haha, got it. By the way, have anyone heard from Andy Mack? I can find his channel, but no videos. I think I remember something about his channel. Got lost or something. Oh, there was definitely something there. But I think, as far as I remember, he either got his videos back or he made a new channel or something. It might just be me, but can anyone tell me? Because I don't completely remember. Oh, did we get it? Yeah! Woo! Finally. Another one for my collection there. Trust me, I have a lot of locks. Not many of this, but I'm actually searching for more lever locks, especially padlocks. but I have a lot of locks in my naughty bucket. Among others, here's a lever, but I don't have a tension for that yet. Same goes for this old military lever lock. And one that I'm actually going to try soon is this, which is a Rex, but we'll see that in a different video. And then I have this old cabinet lock with 3 levers that I can't get open either. So I do have a few. That's actually the only ones I have left that I have yet to pick of lever locks. And yeah, so I'm always searching for more of these. But anyway, nice to get this open. Maybe the Rex one will be the next one. We'll see. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.